Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis, today as usual we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, and yesterday we had a harsh decline in the market and we will make our plan and trade accordingly. However, before we start, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Starting from a daily time frame, I'm not going to cover weekly time frame on this episode. You can refer to the last video. The levels are still the same. However, since the 22nd and 23rd of June, we kept rejecting from 21,500, which was a weekly time frame resistance. So based on a daily time frame, we've got interesting levels. 28,957, 29,000 is going to be extremely important. As you can see, we've got value area high, plus we have 0.6, the Fibonacci level as well. At the same time, if we're going to look at the horizontal support and resistance lines, we've got monthly level as well at around $29,240. So this is very important, and if we're going to take these levels, we will do an SFP, and if we manage to claim this level, we can see continuation to the upside. First target 32,000 and then followed by 34 all the way up to $36,000 are going to be the next target levels. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it and we'll have to do a further analysis. Still, daily time frame is heavily under the bull's control. $19,200 and $500 were bullish setup based on a daily time frame. Since we lost $60,000 and $52,000, that's the first bullish setup that we had. With a V-shaped recovery, we cleared target number 1 and we nearly reached to the target number 2, which was a $32,000, and then followed by, as I said, all the way up to $36,000. I also made an update today on the higher time frame macro analysis, and I gave an important message as well, so you can refer to my pinned tweet. Since $19,500 and $200 average, if we're going to take it average, we saw massive pump in the market, over 60%, with a current price action 55% plus pump in the market for the spot back holders. As I said, daily time frame heavily under the bull's control, as long as we do not lose this level, which is a $25,200 level. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Based on a 4-hour time frame, we can see clear picture that one after another we got a rejection, and yesterday I tried to long it around here and we got stopped out because there was a confluence 0.618 plus point of control, so the support levels were quite strong and I ignored this SFP. However, you can't win all the trades, but as you can see, one after another point of control was a strong, and fourth time yesterday we got a rejection and we're struggling at around point of control. 4-hour time frame, as soon as we had a trend change at around $27,000, as you remember, that was an initial setup. As soon as we got a trend change on the 4-hour time frame, we pumped all the way, cleared 30,000, and we nearly reached, as I said, $32,000, and we saw massive 17% plus pump in the market. So if you're a leverage trader, you did the math for yourself. However, as I said, at the moment we saw a rejection from the value area high, and as you can see, clear picture, value area low, confluence with a $28,900, $29,000. As long as in the coming days we do not lose at this level, then there is a chance that we're going to go, as I said, 32,000 plus. However, it's very important and crucial to pay attention. This is based on a lower time frame. I'm expecting rejection from these highs between $30,500 and $30,800, and this will be this type of price action where we might see all the way up to $29,000. Now you can see we're at around weekly level at the moment. However, without claiming, $31,200, $31,300 are going to be extremely important. Claim this daily, plus we've got value area high as well, and then the next level is going to be $32,000 all the way up to $34,000. Rejection $30,500, $400 all the way up to $30,800, and highly likely that the price will come all the way up to this monthly. That's going to be $29,000, which is a confluence with a monthly plus value area low and then the golden pocket of Fibonacci. As soon as we saw a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame at around $27,000, as you can see, we cleared target number 1, which was a $30,000, all the way we reached nearly to target number 2, $31,500, and that gave us 17% plus profit. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the math for yourself. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market, and it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. During the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. This is a scalping setup under 15-minute, 30-minute time frames. So I'm expecting a rejection at around here where we have a value area high plus higher time frame point of control. That's going to be at around $30,700, $30,600. As soon as we see a rejection, that will give us this type of price action. However, I'm not paying too much attention at the moment to this resistance. If that happens, we can go all the way up to $31,400, and that will give a 3-hour trade. But as I said, I'm not giving too much weight because in here we've got very strong resistance. This type of price action might lead all the way up to this support level. That's going to be $29,900. Moving on to an ETH analysis. As I said in the last video, exactly the same analysis that I gave. Losing 1900, that will give us, the next target is going to be 1850, and the 4-hour will be under consolidation. So at the moment, I'm keeping an eye on to this level. Once we're going to see a rejection, as I said, we're going to clear these two lows, and the next target level is going to be $1820, $1800. As soon as we got a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame, we broke below 1800. We saw massive pump in the market. First target level was 1950 all the way up to $2,000. However, we didn't reach to 2000. As I said in the previous videos, ETH is a bit struggling, so on the higher time frame, and we saw massive decline in the market. But overall, we saw over 10% pump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the maths for yourself. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.